So here's the CPC800 fork mount that I just finished working on. As you can see, some of the tools are still out. She works pretty good. This hand controller is, well, I guess it's new old stock. Let's put motor speed to 9. Nice and smooth with those new bearings. And this hand controller here, let me see if I can get this right. Let me go to this. Yeah, there we go. So we go to, well, let me pause this first. Okay, I got the version up here, so let me click on it. And that is the version there. 5.34, 5.23, I don't know. Anyway, I'm happy. This thing seems to work pretty good. So whoever wants to take her off my hands, it was for a friend. Looks like they just needed a hand controller, and I already got them one. So that's that. I've got that Mead over there, an LX50. I'm looking for an LX90 GPS mount so I can transfer the optical tube. And I thought about putting it on this one, but nah, I'm not going to do that. It's a little bit different in size. So everyone take care and enjoy a clear night. Thanks.